The venue was St. Matthew's Anglican Church Field or Zubulu, Ekwusigo local government area, where the 12 political wards and numerous APC support groups gathered to receive the Nicholas Ukachukwu governorship campaign trail. Godiofo APC chairman Ekwusigo local government assured the full support of the local government towards the success of the Ukachukwu project.
Come November 8th, 90 days come to a column. We have a government house. Upon I am very born.
Sir Humphrey Nsofo declared the mammoth crowd at the venue as real and dedicated to Nicholas Ukachukwu governorship project.
Final word. I want to say, no. Election. I gave an 8th November is signed and sealed in favor of Prince Nicholas Ukachukwu.
Jude Emecheta, once an APGA stalwart and face of APGA party in Ekwusigo, described his conviction and trust in APC and Ukachukwu as firm and declared APGA dead in Anambra State.
Now some 3 days back, and that party and APGA. We batana APC. Angu ne mwe kana za APGA angu.
Sir Azuko Okwosa showed displeasure over the falsehood the present administration of APGA instituted in Anambra State and enjoined the Ekwusigo to obtain their voters' cards as the first instrument of progressive change come November 8.
Many are called, but few are choosing. You were 1,000 people, only 200 were voters' cards. Even another 800 Banza. So I told people, Iba voters registration card. Make sure. Now I ready. Makonya the only weapon I get the job when we tell you.
Nicholas Ukachukwu reiterated the need to allow the governorship slot to the old Nnewi political bloc as a position to get things right through inclusive governance devoid of religious sentiment.
Old Nnewi Abu Governor Kuwa Mother Neko Keke Wonwe Onobumua, the Kokoma Bumua, Aneke, before Aneke Onyozo Ekego no first.
Ukachukwu still appreciated APC in Ekwusigo for the overwhelming support that gave rise to a successful primary on April 5, 2025.
I to the governor in Kosuno Dalu for supporting him to be the flag bearer of APC in this election. And he's not running an election because he wants to run an election. He wants to run an election because he knows that Anambra State needs him at this point in time.
A thank you tour was well attended, eliciting mass support for the APC.